Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you like a friend. This video is for anyone who wants to speak English better. If you are a beginner or if you feel shy when speaking, this is for you. I have been there. I know how hard it feels at first. But you can do it. You really can. When I started learning English, I didn't know where to begin. I didn't have many people to talk to. I was nervous to speak. I was afraid of making mistakes. I thought people would laugh at me. But guess what? Most people don't laugh. Most people want to help. And the only way to get better is to keep going. So, let's start with something simple. Listening. Yes. Listening. It helps so much. When you listen to English every day, your brain starts to learn the sounds. You learn how words connect. You learn the rhythm of the language. Start with easy things. Listen to children's stories in English. Watch cartoons. Listen to simple podcasts or YouTube videos like this one. Do it every day. Even if it's just for 10 minutes. Next, reading. Reading helps your vocabulary. It helps you see how sentences are made. Start with easy books. Maybe books for kids. Or simple news websites. Don't try to understand every word. Just try to get the main idea. If a word comes up many times and you don't know it, look it up. You can use your phone for this. There are great apps to help. Speaking. This is the hard part for many people. It was hard for me too. I was so shy. I thought, what if I say something wrong? But the truth is, everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. So I started speaking out loud to myself. I would read out loud. I would repeat sentences from movies or shows. I would look in the mirror and practice. It felt strange, but it worked. I started to feel more confident. There are also great apps to help you speak. Some apps let you talk with native speakers. Some apps help you repeat words and sentences. Even if you don't talk to a real person, talking to your phone helps. It builds your confidence. It trains your mouth and your brain. Another thing that helped me was writing. Writing is a quiet way to practice. I started writing short sentences in English. I wrote about my day. I wrote about how I felt. I wrote about my dreams. Then I read it out loud. This helped me practice both writing and speaking. Try to use English in your daily life. Label things in your house. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to yourself when cooking or cleaning. Say, I am cutting the vegetables. I am washing the dishes. This might sound funny, but it works. You are using English in real life. Sometimes, I watched English shows with subtitles. First with subtitles in my language. Then with English subtitles. Finally, no subtitles. This helped me understand how native speakers talk. It helped me hear fast English. I didn't understand everything at first, but over time, I understood more. Music is also a great tool. I listened to English songs. I read the lyrics. I sang along. It was fun, and I learned new words. I learned how words are pronounced in a natural way. Don't be afraid of grammar. But don't make it your first focus. Grammar is important, yes. But when you are starting, focus more on listening and speaking. You can learn grammar slowly. Use it when you need it. Don't wait to speak until your grammar is perfect. That day may never come. Speak now. Improve as you go. Find a friend who is also learning English. Practice together. Text each other in English. Talk on voice messages. Help each other. Learning with someone makes it more fun and less scary. If you can, take a class. Join a group. Sometimes, being around other learners gives you more courage. You see that others also make mistakes. You see that everyone is learning. You are not alone. Set small goals. Maybe today you learn 5 new words. Maybe this week you listen to 3 podcasts. Maybe this month you finish 1 easy book. Small steps lead to big changes. Sometimes you will feel stuck. Sometimes you will feel tired. That's okay. Take a break if you need to. But don't give up. Learning a language is like growing a plant. It takes time. Water it every day. Take care of it. And one day it will bloom. Be proud of every step you take. Even saying 1 sentence in English is a big win. Celebrate your progress. Be kind to yourself. I remember the first time I ordered food in English. I was so nervous. But I did it. And after that I felt amazing. That small success gave me energy to keep going. You will have moments like that too. Use your phone to help you. There are many free apps. Some apps teach vocabulary. Some help with pronunciation. Some connect you with people around the world. Your phone can be your English teacher. Also, record yourself. Speak into your phone. Talk about your day. Then listen to it. You will hear your mistakes. But that's okay. You will also hear how much you are improving. Keep a journal in English. Write 1 or 2 sentences every day. Even simple things. Like, today I went to the store. Or I am tired but happy. This helps you think in English. Talk to yourself in English. It sounds funny but it works. When you are walking or sitting alone, try to describe what you see. Say, I see a red car. It is fast. These small things train your brain to think in English. When you learn a new word, try to use it many times. Say it. Write it. Make a sentence with it. Repeat it the next day. New words stay in your brain when you use them again and again. You don't need to know every word. Native speakers don't know every word. Just learn the words you need. Start with the words for your life. If you are a student, learn school words. If you work in a shop, learn words for shopping. Learn what matters to you. Speak slowly and clearly. It's okay. You don't need to speak fast. Fast does not mean fluent. Fluency comes from confidence, not speed. Sometimes people will not understand you. That's okay. Just try again. Say it in a different way. Use your hands. Use your smile. Communication is not just words. It's your tone, your body, your heart. If someone corrects your English, don't feel bad. Be happy. They are helping you. Every correction is a chance to grow. You are not too old. You are not too young. You are not too late. Now is the perfect time to start. You can do this. Every day. Give yourself a little time for English. It does not have to be hours. Even 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Believe in yourself. You are smarter than you think. You are stronger than you know. I believe in you. I really do. If I can do it, you can do it. I was shy. I made mistakes. I felt lost. But I kept going. And now I can speak. I can connect. I can share. You can too. Keep learning. Keep smiling. Keep speaking. Don't give up. You are on a beautiful journey. And one day you will look back and say, wow, I did it. I really did it. Thank you for watching. You are amazing. Keep going. See you next time.